What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, in this one, I'm actually very excited about this play because I like new plays that have hype behind them, that have attention behind them, and have a connection to different forms of popularity, while also being, multi-chain to purchase. Guys, I want to talk about BitDoge in this video. Now, BitDoge obviously is a combination between Bitcoin and Doge, right? Dogecoin comes to Bitcoin finally, and I think it has that level of popularity that could be that next thing. But, obviously, it all depends on the continuation of the conversation that happens, as well as the growth and all that stuff. So, I want to talk about BitDoge in this video. Hopefully you guys like it. If you don't, then it's understandable. You guys do your own research, but make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you want to do your own research into the project and look up all the stuff with the light paper, with the roadmap, the features, everything that they have to offer, feel free to hit that link down below, or all of the links down below. I'll have a referral link down below. Make sure you guys check that out. But let's go ahead and dive into this. So, finally, Doge comes to Bitcoin. Elon, the time has come. We have a chance to create something great. What do you propose, Satoshi? Says Elon. The Doge must become part of Bitcoin. So this is where this all comes to be. And I don't know if these are hand-drawn comics, but it's definitely interesting to see that put together that way. But right now it is in pre-sale. Everything has started here. So you have 3 days, 7 hours, and 11 minutes until the next round. You're currently looking at $302,000 that has been put into pre-sale, but that's out of $450,000 here. You can select your chain, whatever you want to utilize. You can select BNB, Solana, Ethereum, and you can go through others, right? Polygon, Arbitrum, Avalanche, whatever blasted, I don't know, Optimism, Base, so many different, chains that are here that you could purchase with, that you could buy, and you can go ahead and set that up. So it's very simple to be able to do because you have so many options to be able to do it. Whether you want to go the cheaper route, whether you want to go the more expensive route, whether you feel a certain way about a certain chain, it doesn't matter. You can go about that in purchasing that position. Now, the current price of BitDoge is 18% of a penny. Being at 18% of a penny, obviously that's a very low price at the moment. And we've seen things that have skyrocketed from 18% of a penny to $1. And you're looking at multiple X's of returns. You're not just only looking at like a 100X to 18 cents. You're talking about $1, let's say $1.80, getting up to a 1000X, right? So, anyways, you guys can join the pre-sale, be a part of that. Make sure you hit my link down below to kind of get started. BitDoge merges the legendary Doge spirit with Bitcoin strength, born from a secret pact between Satoshi Nakamoto and Elon Musk. BitDoge promises fun, stability, and community for all crypto enthusiasts. If you wanted to check out the Twitter and understand the level of popularity that does come with this, currently it stands at almost 12,000 followers, and I have seen a couple of videos that have been created about it. So it's definitely has a level of popularity, has a level of interest that you don't find in a lot of positions that are just getting started. Keep scrolling down here, the legend of BitDoge, and you have these comics that are created. If you want to go through that, Doge brought the spirit of fun, but imagine it on the Bitcoin network. When I created Bitcoin, I knew we needed the power of the community. BitDoge combines the best of both worlds. Our secret agreement marks the dawn of a new era. The BitDoge is driven by a stellar team, Satoshi Nakamoto and a mysterious mind behind Bitcoin. Elon Musk, the pioneer who brought Doge to fame, and the iconic Doge itself. Satoshi's groundbreaking blockchain skills, Elon Musk's or Elon's innovative genius and Doge's charm create a powerful synergy together. They deliver a crypto that combines security, creativity, and a vibrant community spirit, um, making BitDoge a truly unique digital asset. The features that it offers. So you have staking that's coming soon, right? Your BitDoge tokens to earn attractive rewards over time with our user-friendly and profitable staking system. So you have that's coming soon. You also have Play to Earn, which again is coming soon. Earn BitDoge tokens by playing exciting games in our P2E ecosystem, combining entertainment with financial rewards. And then an AI chat. Chat with Doge, Elon Musk, or Satoshi Nakamoto using our advanced AI, making your crypto journey more interactive and fun. BitDoge is built on Bitcoin, and here's the roadmap. You have one, which will be the launch; two, that will be expansion; three, moon landing; and four, galactic wolf. Contract audit by famous and trustworthy auditor. You have the launch of the first marketing campaign. And you have in two, which would be expansion, launch a BitDoge themed NFTs. Even AI needs to join the meme party. You have a DEX and CEX listing in Moon Landing, as well as marketing surge. Fully launch our play to earn games in 4 Galactic Wolf, and other things. Right, the more places to find a BitDoge, the better. The tokenomics, 25% is going to pre-sale, 25% to staking rewards, 25% to marketing, 15% to liquidity, 10% to project treasury. Now, this is interesting because when you understand that marketing is a big part of your project, that's where you can go a lot further, and you could see that marketing is a big part of it, and different people that are talking about it, and word of mouth. That's where the popularity comes from, is that word of mouth. Is the next person talking about it, a person like me on YouTube that's talking about it. Twitter, you have many different mentions that's happening over there, so it's great to see that. And here's the BitDoge team: Elon Musk, BitDoge, and then Satoshi. These are the places that it's been mentioned in. And I think this is kind of when you understand BitDoge a little bit, when you understand the piece to it, the bigger piece to it. I think it's all about the popularity, the convenience, and just having two larger players in this game kind of combined into one, BitDoge. So it's definitely interesting, and it's definitely turning heads. So I want to know what you guys think about the project. Do you like it? I think it's very simple to go in there. I would say once you get in there, connect your wallet. You can easily do that. For some reason, my wallet is not connected. So I'm going to see if I can connect it really quick again. I don't know why it's not. Oh, I'm on a different browser. That's why. But yeah, you can connect your wallet, easily get started in purchasing this position, and just believing in it. If you do, right, I suggest going in there, checking everything you need to check, and if it does, tick all the boxes, then go for it. But guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.